Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to cut or trim video in Premiere Pro. So all you have to do is to import the video first. So double click on your project panel, go to where your video is located. Mine is here. So let's just select two videos from these videos that I have here. So create a sequence with this video by clicking and dragging it to this place. Then the video is not here. So the purpose of this cutting is to help us to remove the unwanted parts of this video and add the parts that we want. So let's say if I create this video now, from here to this part, let's from here to this page I want to edit, all you have to do is you just select the C key on your keyboard. Then it will now change to this tool, razor tool here. Then delete, click on the part that you don't want. Then if you play again, can click on this place just to remove that particular part. Then go back to, for you to go back to this tool, selection tool, press V on your keyboard to go back, and you press V, then delete this one. So you can see that we have created an empty space in between these clips. So for you to cover up this space, you have to bring this one back. Right click on this video and you see ripple delete. Just select the ripple delete to now go back to this one. Just let's watch this video. You can see that we have removed the other one from that. Have you seen that? Then the next thing we need to do is how to trim the video. So let's say that we don't want this video to be this long and want to trim some parts in this video. We don't really need to cut it. So let's say we want to reduce it from the length, maybe for it to stop here. All you have to do is to just from here take your cursor to this place, then drag and drop it here. You can see we have trimmed the ending parts of this video to this point. I hope you understand. Then another thing that I would like to show us here is another means of cutting if you don't want to use this particular process. So the next, okay, let me just delete this one now. What you will do here is to come to your project panel, double click, then this particular video will appear on your source panel. Here you see it. So if you don't want to do your cuttings in your timeline, you can just double click it and double click on the video. You see it here on the source panel. Then press I. Sorry, come to this place. Press I. Let me remove this one. If you see something like this on your timeline, just press Ctrl Shift X to remove it, or for Mac users, just press Command Shift X to remove it. So let's go back to this place. All you have to do is to select the I key on your keyboard. If you mark the part that you want, let's say you want this particular part from here to this point, so go back to this place, click on I. You have selected this particular area, then go front a little bit and select and click on O to mark out. This is called mark in, mark out. So if you don't want to use a shortcut, you can just click here, let's say here. Now if you click here and you move forward, and here you can see we've selected from here, from this part to this part of this video. All you have to do, you can just drag it, click at the top here and drag to this place. I mean, you are dragging the video and the audio. Why they are showing all these settings now, this particular message, this warning that the clip does not match with the sequence settings, change sequence to match the clip settings. It means that the particular one that we use to create this sequence is not matching with this video. So you can tend to keep the existing sequence setting, or change the sequence settings. So let's just change it for the purpose of this video. Let's change it. So you can click on change the sequence settings. So you can see we've selected this from this part to this place of this video. I'm very sure that you can see it. So once you are done adding this particular clip to this place by cutting this place, maybe selecting the part you want, you can say adjust it by taking your cursor to the end part of your selection. You can adjust your selection by just taking it back or front, take it back or front. The same thing with this side, take it back or front, take it back or front. So this is how to make a proper cutting, a basic cutting, sorry, from in your Premiere Pro, from maybe your source panel, or you can just decide to do it in your timeline panel using the razor tool if you don't want to go through this process. So once you are done doing your selections here, you can just drag it to this place to get the full video and the audio. Then if you don't want to make use of the audio, you can just select this part, this particular icon here, just select this one. You can see the road there, drag video only, or select this one, drag audio only. So this is the end of the class. Please, if you are joining us for the first time, please do well to subscribe for you to see short videos and more well explained videos like this. Thank you for watching. This is Jones Creative Hub.